Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking to make a lasting impression with your next marketing campaign or event? Look no further than Fiverr's vibrant community on or of flyer designers. In this video, we'll explore the power of customized flyer design and how they can elevate your brand, engage your audience, and boost your promotional efforts. And to get started with this wonderful service on Fiverr, simply head over to Flyer Design Fiverr and choose the first link here, Professional Flyer Design Service Online. And this is here the homepage or the interface of the service on Fiverr. Like you see with me here, that you will find all the key features that absolutely gonna need, and also the search bar, notification, inbox, and the list, and also the orders, and also your account from here. I showed you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to find the video that about how to create an account on Fiverr. And you will find the profile to post a request or refer a friend, and if you want to become seller, and the setting also, that means the password, username, photo on the profile, and also the information about the billing and the payments, and if you want to change the language or the currency. And if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center, and also if you want to log out from your account. So this is all the result that I have in the flyer design. 32,559 is very big number. You can minimize it by this service about the filters. Over here we have the 4 here and this 3 here. The first one is you can filter it by the service option. That means the purpose or something like that. So you have the flyer, the media kit, like example, or like you see with me here, the result is become less. You have just 8,941. Door hangers, other, you have 2,370 results. And also if you want to filter by the image file format, the GPG, PDF, PSD, or the PNG, and plus 2 more. And the service includes, you have the files ready for brands, include source file, commercial use, and front and back design, and plus 4 more. After you choose the filter that you want to see the results by it, you can just click on apply to activate the filter. And for the seller detail, we have the seller level, we have the top rated seller and the new seller, and always the new seller have more cheap gigs than the top rated seller. And we have these 2 levels. The seller speak, that mean the language that the seller speaks: English, Urdu, Bengal, Hindi, plus 26 more language, and also the localization, that mean where the seller wants him to live: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, and plus 155 more. After you click on the filter that you want, you need just to click on apply to activate the filter. Now for the budget, that means the price, you can just write the minimum here, the maximum here, and click on apply. And also delivery time, you have this 4 options here. You have express 24 hours, up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or anytime. And after that you click on apply. And also these 3 choices here, if you want to see just the pro services, or the subscription services, or the online sellers. So this is the results over here. Now if you like a gig, like example, and you want to keep it to see it later, you need just to click on this small heart to save it to the list to find it later in this heart over here. Now let me show you the information that you need to enter to buy the gig, or the different steps that you want to do. Like example, if we want to buy this gig here, you need just to read this information before you start. The seller is Alina, and the sentence that she presents her gig from us, she said that I would design an awesome flyer, poster, or any other graphics. The size that the gig gets, you have 4.9 star, and also how many people buy this gig, and also the price from $50. And later I will explain to you why the price is from and not specifically $15. And this is her level. So let's click on the gig. So we have here all the information that you need to know about the gig, and the first thing, you can just see all the designs about the same gig from the same seller, and here all the information that you can read about the gig and also about the seller from here, the country, the online, the language that she talk, and when she is member. She's member since June 2012, and the last deliveries was about 1 hour, and also some overviews from another person, that mean a commands. You can just read them to be very confident from the gig that you want to buy. So let's suppose that you're sure from the gig that you want to buy. This is the steps that you need to do. The first thing is about to choose the plan that you want to work or to buy the gig on it. We have three different plans with three different prices. The basic one is the most cheap one, is with $50. You will save up to 10% with the subscribe to save. Basic package include the 72 DPI file, perfect for web and social media use. You have 4 days delivery and 1 revision. For the standard, it's with $25. You will save up to 10% with subscribe to save. The standard package include 300 DPI file for brands, 72 DPI file for web and social media. You have 3 days delivery, 2 revisions. That means files are ready for brands and the commercial use. The premium, and always will be the most expensive one. It's with $45. It's also, you will save up to 10% with the subscribe to save. Premium package include the table file. You have 300 DPI file for brands, 72 DPI file for web and social media, and more. You have 2 days delivery. For a revision, you have files ready for brands, include source file, front and back design, custom graphics, photo editing, and commercial use. So now you need just to click on the plan that you want to buy the gig by it. Click on continue and choose the quantity that you want from the gig. And if you want to add a unique and other service, of course with its own price, extra fast 2 days delivery, additional revision, you need just to click on the service and add how many gig that you want from the service and click on continue. And before you get your information of the payment here, you need just to read this information. You need to be confident from the total that you will pay if you choose this gig. So you will pay $80.33. The total delivery time will be 4 days, and after that you need just to enter your payment information. The card number, it's contained in 16 number. You will find it in front of the card, the expiration date in the month, the year, the security code or the CVC code. You will find this behind the card, the last 3 numbers, and also the first and the last name, and they should be legal. And click on confirm and pay. And if you choose the payable method, you need just to click on this blue button here, the payable checkout, and you will buy the gig successfully. So guys, this will be the last of our videos. I hope you guys understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me say you bye bye to the next video and next websites.